In today's video, we will talk about the newest crypto betting mobile application that you could probably join, whether you are using PC, whether you're using phone, and of course, you can actually get up to 5% per day. And if you just follow their betting plan, and just in case that you lose your money, they will give your money back. So it is really reimburse everything as long as you follow the rules. And this is pretty much a good way as well to put some of your money. But of course, just a disclaimer, financial disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that I'm doing into this video is just for entertainment purposes only, and of course you are responsible for your money. So as you can see here, in my account I do have 162. However, in my transactions, okay, in my financial details, as you can see here, you can actually scroll it here. Okay, I just really started for around $100 here. So we will just going to scroll into the lower part below here, so that you can see this one. Okay, and I just really want to be transparent to you guys. So as you can see here, I started with 110 income. Okay, and I've been betting onto this platform. Okay, this Tether group. Okay, you can just join after you have deposited your money, because I will invite you into this group as well. So this one is pretty much free. Okay, and they are actually giving you a multipliers. Okay, that you can start. So the moment that you lose onto this betting system, okay, this one, you will get your money back as long as you follow this one. However, if you got greedy and you decided to trade, or you tried to bet on your own, then probably they won't reimburse that money, and of course they will see it into your accounts as well. So just be careful if you're going to bet onto this one right here. So I started on 110. Okay, you can transfer here via Binance. Okay, what you just need to do here is, of course, just go to your Binance.com. I'm actually going to show it to you right now. So let's just log in right here. Okay, so for a moment, I'm going to connect it here. So I'm just going to approve this one. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh this one. Refresh now. Okay. This- Okay, so as you can see here, we are on Binance chain, Binance.com wallet. So uh, what you just need to do right here is, of course, just go into your wallet. If you have a money into your spot account, what you just need to do here is, of course, just deposit via Tether. So how you can actually do that? Just withdraw here. Just click the withdraw button right here. Okay, and then after you click that withdrawal button. Okay, we're just going to go back here. Uh, you put your user ID here. So let's say just put my user ID. So let's say I'm going to deposit $30, and I think, no, actually you will go to top up. So you will go to top up. So all you just need to do here is just copy this USDT wallet address, and just make sure that you are on TRC20. This one is TRC20. So click this Tron, okay, TRC20, and then copy paste the address right here. And after you've copied it, okay, you would just put the withdrawal amount here. And then after it has been successful, what you just need to do here is to upload the picture, okay, the screenshot that it is already completed. So just upload this here. Okay, so it will ask you for a picture, and then just submit it. Okay, after a few minutes, it will reflect into your financial statement, financial details, as you can see. there will be a reflected amount here that it says deposit or top up. Okay, so and you will also see the time right here, so that's pretty much good. So after you've top up here, okay, just reach out to the people, okay, or you can just reach me out right here. I can actually create. I'm going to create. Just join my Discord group for this one. Okay, I'm going to create a um, separate category for this one, which I'm going to add you into this group chat as well, so that you can probably get a lot of betting advices here. So as you can see here, there's a lot of people that are saying win, win. Okay, they're winning. Of course, if you're going to see into the part, they're also winning. There are a lot of people here. There's more than 2,692 members here, and it is pretty much good because as you can see here, they have been computed your bet amount. Okay, what you just need to do right here is just, you know, just copy the betting advice right here, and then once you get the 5%, you just stop. Okay, you follow the percentage, you follow the betting advice, so that if even if it losses, okay, you're going to get your money back full. I think that is that is the explanation. And of course, while you're if you're going to follow that, okay, this will avoid you to have a lot more risk, and you can have more chances to win as well because you have more liquidity inside your Tether account. So of course, just to withdraw onto this one, okay, just select the pathway right here, okay, and then what you just need to do is, of course, just put your TRX address from your Binance Smart Chain right here, and then just add it here, and then you can just transfer it back into your Binance account. So that's pretty much simple. Okay, it's pretty cheap. It's pretty easy. It is legit. Okay, what you just need to do here is, if you have the funds, okay, just follow the betting advice, okay, and then just follow the risk management. The numbers here, as you can see here, this you just multiply this one. If you have 100 USDT, okay, this one is your money, then times this one by 0.006. That's really simple. Okay, and if you want, actually, I can also give you a sharing link onto this one right here, which of course what I just want you to do is, of course, just create your own copy. Okay, so that just when you type your amount right here, as you can see, if I type 170, it will automatically put the bet amount that you just need to do if you are copying the mentor's advice inside the Tether. So this is pretty much gambling too. So I mean, you should be able to you should be responsible to your money, of course, and this is not a financial advice again. So I'm just going to put this link, all of this link, into the description box below. And of course, that is it for this video, guys. This is just a small video. So I just like I've promised to you guys, okay, every single thing that I'm joining to, I'm venturing to, okay, I'm going to show it to you guys. And of course, see you on the next video.